what is the formula for magnesium nitride? So magnesium nitride. So all we have to do is we have to look at our periodic table and figure out where's magnesium. Magnesium is a metal, which means it exists on my left side here. I see Mg, so that's my magnesium, right? Mg here. So Mg is my magnesium. And what's my charge of magnesium? Charge here, if it's in the second group, it has a +2 charge, right? So 2 plus magnesium. Nitride is simply just a short form of nitrogen, right? So I have nitrogen here, again, non-metals here, non-metals or gases are here, which means N would be on my right side. So N here is, it's a group, lies on group 15. So I have N here, and what's the charge of nitrogen in this case? Nitrogen has a charge of 3 minus, right? Because again, neon has a charge of, I have, it's full octets, so it's 8. I have 1 minus here, 2 minus, and 3 minus, right, for nitrogen. So this is a 3 minus charge. So what we can do, we can either do the crisscross method. If you might learn that before, so I'll show you the crisscross method, which means you just cross the charges and you get the answer. So magnesium would then get this charge, not get this charge, but magnesium would be then would have a subscript of 3, and nitrogen would have a subscript of 2, and this would be your answer, right? Mg3 and 2 is our answer. So you can do the crisscross method, or what you can do is you can simply just ask yourself what's the greatest common factor between 2 and 3? The answer here is 6, which means I have to multiply. I need 3 magnesiums to get this, and I need 2 nitrogens to get this charge of 6, right? Because then I'll have 6 plus. I'll have 6 plus here, so I have 3 Mg 6 plus, and then I'll have N2 would have 6 minus, right? 3 times 2 here is 6. These charges was cancel out to get. Sorry, this is not 3 here. This here would be 3, and then these charges cancel out to get Mg3 and 2. So either way you look at it, you get Mg3 and 2, which would probably be the answer. Mg3 and 2 is our answer. So they simply just do the neutral method here. Sorry, the crisscross method. So there's 2 ways to look at it, but this here is a good solution. They did other ones here. Good solution and analysis. So that here is going to end my video.